Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to all my sweet and spicy chili peppers out there. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, Anjong di Georgia. Egg drop soup is on the menu this afternoon. This is one of the most quintessential part of Chinese restaurant menu all across America. It is hearty yet versatile, simple yet delicious. Let's get cooking. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click the subscribe, share, like and comment button. Kalau korang suka video ni, jangan lupa subscribe, share, like dan buat komen, okay? Bye!